Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to short stroke your AAP. So I'll just give you a demo of what it's like without the short stroke. That's full auto and single. What it does with the short stroke, it gives you a better trigger response, and it also ups your rate of fire. So the tools you're going to need is a 2mm Allen key and a 3mm Allen key, a small posi screwdriver, a short stroke kit, which is these little colourful things here, and I'd also recommend getting this spring, which is it's got more tension in it. This one is 135% nozzle spring. Okay, so first thing you need to do is remove the top section from the gun, like that, and then you've got two Allen keys here and here, which are 2mm. So if you just get your Allen key and take those out, it's a good idea to have a magnetic dish as well, so you don't lose all your stuff. So once you've removed those, you take off the rear sight like that, and then you just pull out the whole section from the back like this. Now you can put this to one side, you don't need that now. All you need is this section. What you're going to do is, this is where the short stroke kit goes. It goes on this section here. So if you just pull that up and release it like that, remove that spring, and you put in the shims. You don't want to put too many shims in because your gun won't operate. You need to just put the right amount in. You might take a couple of tries to figure out what sizes and what combination to use, hence why the spring helps. The spring helps with that as well. So once you've done that, you put that back in. That goes back in there, and it just sits like that. To change the spring that I've been on about, the 135mm one, there's two small screws just where the nozzle housing is, there. That one and that one. If you remove those, and just pull it out, be careful, that's the spring that we want to replace. So once you've removed that, you can pull your nozzle out like that, and then you want to get your new spring, attach your new spring onto there. There's a little pin that it sits on, and put all this back together like that, and then it goes back in the housing like that, dead easy. And then you just do those two screws up, sorry, like that, like that. That's back together, that's assembled. So you bring back your housing, click that in, put your rear sight back on, both Allen keys, make sure you don't over tighten these. I always go anti-clockwise to find where the thread should sit as well in the screw, and then tighten up, because you don't want to cross thread these screws. So make sure that's working. And that can go back on the lower receiver like so, and I'll just show you what it's like now it's been done. So we do it on single shot first. It's a lot snappier than what it was before, and on full auto. Sorry about that, just had to re-gas the mag. So this is on the full auto now. Hope it helps. Please subscribe to my videos. I'm starting out new, so sorry if it's a bit of a pants video, but we've all got to start somewhere. Thanks for watching.